Okay, so I'm going to be explaining level 1 and 2 in this video. So level 1, we have that the hundredths digit of a 3-digit number is 2 more than the units digit of the 3-digit number. So we put the units digit as C, which means that the hundredths digit is C plus 2. And so we have that the tens digit is B. So our 3-digit number is 100 C plus 200, which is 100, and then C plus 2 times C plus 2. And then we have plus 10 times B plus the unit digit, which is C. And the reverse is 100 C plus 10B plus C plus 2. And we subtract the reverse from the original, and we rearrange it, and we get this part cancels out, this part cancels out, this part cancels out, this part cancels out. So we only have this part left, which is 198, and we want the unit digit of this, which is 8. Okay, level 2. We want to find the unit digit of a to the 2028 plus 2028 to the a. And we have that a is 2028 squared plus 2 to the 2028. So we have that a is 2028 squared plus 2 to the 2028, which means the unit digit of a, we only want to find the unit digit of this. So to find the unit digit, we only need to find the unit digit of this and this. And we add them up, and that's the unit digit of that is the unit digit that we want to find. And so we want to find the unit digit of a to the 2028, and we want to find the unit digit of 2028 to the a. And to find the unit digit of a to the 2028, you can just simplify a to the unit digit because that's the only digit that matters. So we want to find the unit digit of a, and we're given, and this part is basically the same as this part, which means that we want to find the unit digit of here, of this one, and the unit digit of this one, and we add them up. So we first find this part, the unit digit of the left part. We take the unit digit and square it, which is 8 squared, which is 64, which means that is 4 mod 10. And we have the second part, which is 2 to the 2028. So the powers of 2, the unit digit cycles. So 2 to the 1 is 2, 2 to the 2 is 4, 2 cubed is 8, 2 to the 4th power is 6, because that's 16. And then 2 to the 5th is 32, and so on. 32 is 2, by the way. And so we have, that is 2028. So we just cycle through this 2028, and we get that it lands on the 6. It ends with the 6. So we have this part is 4 mod 10. This part is 6 mod 10, which means that a in total has a unit digit of 0. And now we take this part. We have 0 to the 2028 plus 2028 to the 0 mod to the 0 mod to the 0. And a is not actually 0, so it's a is not actually 0. It's a is not 0. It's a number larger than 0. It's just that the unit is 0. So we can't write that it's 2028 to the 0. So we have to put it 0 mod 4 because it's a cycle of 4, and 0 mod 4 is 6. So we have in total 0 plus 6 equals 6. And that is our answer. And that's the end of level 1 and 2.